Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm very glad to have you. Today I thought it would be fun if I showed you guys what I got in my January Birchbox. So, the box this month looks like this. It's a really fun kind of a design. I really like the blue color on the back in particular. Card looks like this, and it says, "Find your happy. After a whirlwind holiday season, carve out some me time with this box of beauty treats." So there's two exclusive products in here. So let's go ahead and do those two products first. So the first thing is the Aero Boost Lip Balm, and this is an exclusive item that I picked out myself. I definitely wanted to get my hands on this because I have the other Aero Boost one from a box that I got last year. So this one is a plum shade, but then when you actually put it onto your lip, it turns into a different color. So I've already tested this out to see what color it would turn on me. And it basically went a really pretty kind of a fuchsia pink, a little bit more colorful than I would normally go for in a lip balm, but it's actually kind of pleasant. So I'm very happy that I did choose to get this. The next exclusive item is another beauty protector product. So this is the Protect and Volume Volumizing Spray. I have not tried this yet, but I am excited to see how well it works. The scent is, again, the same scent that the shampoo, conditioner, and the detangling spray had from previous boxes. So it just says that it's a weightless body spray that increases volume without stickiness, which I really like the sound of that. Beautiful shine without weight, creates soft, smooth, and full texture. Oh, and it says that it's even a thermal protector for heat styling. So we will see how well this works. I will let you guys know. The next thing in here is a skincare item by a company called Real Chemistry. I've never heard of this brand before. It says that this is a luminous 3-minute peel. So it's an interesting kind of a packaging for sure. At first glance, I totally thought that this was like a self-tanner of some sort, just because of the way that it looks and the color of the packaging, but it says this is not a mask. You're supposed to cleanse your skin and then put this on, and you need to use it pretty much once a week, it sounds like, and they're a cruelty-free brand. So I don't think I've ever actually used a face peel before, so I'm a little bit scared to try it, but kind of excited to try it at the same time. It was pretty well rated on the Birchbox website, so we will see. And the next skincare thing I got is a Wilma Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen eye pads. So there's two eye pads in here, and this says that it's a hydration boosting treatment for the eye contour area. So they're gel based, and I guess they're made out of 100% pure collagen. So this is supposed to help with wrinkles, with puffiness, and just freshening up the skin around your eyes. I am excited to try this, not really for the purpose of anti-aging, but to see if it helps me with my dark circles and with puffiness from my allergies. So we will see. And the last thing that I got in here is an eyeshadow palette by The Beauty Crop. Again, a brand that I don't think that I've heard of before. And this is a trio called Love You So Latte. So I'm going to open it so we can get a better look at it. So this is what the colors look like. Very pretty neutral colors. Looks like there's some mattes as well as some shimmery shades in there. And I really like the fact that on the back of the packaging, it tells you the name of each of the actual eyeshadows, so that if you did want to purchase them separately, you could. So there's Vanilla Latte, French Roast, and Midnight Blend. So I really like that. And again, cruelty-free. Let's swatch these and see, wow, how pigmented they are. They're beautiful. So these shades are super nice and pigmented, if you can see that. I am excited to give them a try. So that is everything that I got in my Birchbox this month. I am really happy with all the products that they sent me. That about wraps it up for this video. If you enjoyed it, then please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I upload videos every single week. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!